Paget drove his vehicle into this intersection at full speed. I just got video from Brookville Liquors that shows the intense impact. Cameras are usually always recording this Southside intersection that shows a deadly Tuesday night crash. You can see an Oldsmobile speed into cross traffic, striking a GMC pickup carrying 4 people. The Oldsmobile immediately caught on fire, and the passenger, 32-year-old Michael Ramsey, did not survive. Driver Mark Stephen Paget is recovering. Moments before the crash, undercover officers reportedly watched Paget do a heroin transaction, saying he refused to stop for a state trooper, sparking a chase. Here is another look at the crash from a different surveillance camera. You can see the state trooper who tried to stop him pull up, and eventually other emergency responders arrive on the scene as well. 13 Investigates checked Paget's criminal background, which shows arson, dealing marijuana, domestic battery, and repeat probation violations. The video also showed witnesses rushing to the crash as paramedics took 2 people from the pickup and a driver and passenger from a BMW, all to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. Paget himself suffered broken bones in his right leg. Eyewitness News has learned prosecutors are looking to charge him with resisting law enforcement, resulting in death, reckless homicide, and failure to return to lawful detention. Paget went to the hospital for his injuries and remained in custody on unrelated charges, with charges pending for what happened here. On the Crime Beat, I'm Steve Jefferson.